So this is our room, everybody. You know, we'll give you a little tour. This is the bed. Stuff like that. Everybody always wonder the size of the closet. So this is a pretty good size closet. You know.
You can open it up.
I'm gonna open it up for you guys to see. Check it out. So if y'all wondering about that. You know, so it's plenty of room, plenty of space. If y'all want to put something on the shelves, you can. There's a safe right there, drawers and stuff like that. Also, too, they got little, you know, what do you call them?
Little nightstands.
Nightstands on the east side, stuff like that. Look at me, guys. You know, we on vacay mode, folks. Here you go. They brought all stuff. They still got more stuff to bring, right? This is the bathroom. See how large it is? Huge doorway, you know.
I hope I'm not getting sick. Something's making me sneeze. Y'all see this? This is space. Good space. Good shower space.
Now, for those that was asking about, you know, how big it is, the shower room, the bathroom, this is how big it is. Even if you did accessible room, this is huge.
Yeah, so.
You know, wheelchair, you'll be able to fit in here as well. You close it up, you know, stuff like that. Toilet.
Hey, vacay family.
Sound crazy. The mirror, you know what I'm saying? A little vanity mirror, stuff like that. So, that's what it is.